The past couple days, the weather has been in the 90s. It has been so hot. So we moved to a place with some full hookups so we could dump our tanks, get caught up on laundry, and use our AC. But the weather today decided to cool down. It's only about 70.
Traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Fun family road trip.
So we're still just hanging out at home. Doug got to work on the toilet. Is that considered a black tank accident? How's your morning going?
Shitty.
This is shit. If you want to change it, press this.
What's happening?
Toilet's leaking.
From right here, it's spraying water out.
Come on. We're gonna see. Come on.
Because we didn't have a water pressure regulator on our hose. So, the water flusher valve is bad. There's a crack and a hole inside of there. I went up to the local ACE. Unfortunately, it's a small town, so they didn't really have anything. So I got some epoxy. So we're gonna glue this sucker up, and hopefully it'll last a couple days while we get down the road. I also, because it was rusty down there, the anchor that anchors the toilet to the floor broke off when I was loosening it because of rust. The local ACE did have that though, so we'll replace those and we'll clean everything up and we'll glue it, and hopefully it'll hold at least till we get down the road a little ways to get another valve. Got it epoxied, got it put back together, let it sit for about 40 minutes. It said it needed 20 minutes to bond, and it's still leaking.
And me and a couple of the boys went to the library. Now we're just hanging out at home. Emmett's relaxing in bed watching a show. The boys are playing some games, reading some books. So it's been really nice having hookups again for a while. Tomorrow we're going to hit the road again, do some more boondocking, and see some more sights.
Out there?
Alright, I'm sitting here working on video editing, and I look out the window. There's a whole bunch of them walking right through the middle of the campground. So this has been a nice stop. We're just about packed up, almost. Most everything inside's packed up, but we're not quite ready to go. James is in the van vacuuming, because when we have a bunch of boys that like to eat snacks in the car and lunch when we go out on picnics, it gets very messy. So whenever we have hookups that we can pull the van up to the door so that we can bring the vacuum, since we only have a central vac, we need to be able to pull the van close enough to the door in order to use the vacuum. So before we left, we decided, I guess we can pull in. We're kind of wedged right in there between a tree. It just barely fit, but we're able to get it clean. This stop has been great since we've had full hookup, since we hadn't for a while, and there was nowhere to go. So we got to just hang out. The other places we've been out doing stuff, going to the national parks, and so this was nice to just have some time to just hang out. We did enjoy going to the library, but that was just nice and relaxed. We got to spend the day at home, got stuff cleaned up, packed up, and now we're about ready to hit the road to go see some more national parks.